Hey guys, Al2 here, 316 RC, and you can see we still got a lot of snow on the ground here in Pennsylvania. I was thinking about cleaning up my BM5 a little bit and maybe trying to run it in the snow a little bit. I don't know. We're supposed to get some sleet and some more snow again today, so we'll see about that. But I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready for spring to be coming soon, so I'm going to go up here and clean up my BM5 a little bit and get the battery charged and see if we can get it out. I'm up here in my man room workshop. With the BM5 right here, and as you guys recall from, I barely got this thing broken in before I kind of put it away, so I'm going to go ahead and get this battery charged up, and it's not real super dirty. I'll try to clean it up here a little bit, just have a look over it, see if any, make sure everything is nice and tight, and hopefully we can get a winter bash session. I'd like to see what this thing can kind of do in the snow. Our snow's kind of crusted over. It's not real super soft, so I don't know. We'll see. You guys that are running these nickel metal batteries, you need to, is that 4500? You need to make sure that you charge these every time before you run, because of course if you're running lipos or even lifey batteries, I think you can get away with, you don't have to charge it every time, but these nickel metals, you better throw them on your charger and charge them before you take your vehicles out. It's just the nature of the type of battery. So I would like to change this to a lifey, but I can't find anything to fit in this battery box, but I haven't looked in a while. So anyway, I'm going to charge this up. Got her charging. Just going to go over the truck, see if I see anything here on it. What do we got here? Looks like my pipe has been leaking. Almost. I don't know if you guys can see that. Looks like my pipe been leaking like right here. Look at that. Well, that's not too good. I don't really know what's going to hurt, but clean that off of there. Maybe put some JB weld on that to seal that up. Don't look like it's real bad. Yeah, I didn't even notice that before running, but alright, what else? How are we looking here? Got a lot of bling on this truck. You guys saw my videos on this. This was quite the undertaking. Taking this BM5 and kind of converting, well, not really converting, but putting a lot of FG model sport parts on it. Alright, I'm just going to go over, get my tools out, go over a bunch of these screws and whatnot, and after that battery's done charging, see if I can run this thing a little bit. It is super duper cold outside, like 27 degrees, tons of snow. It's time to get something. First thing started for me in 2021. Here we go. We're going to try to get this guy right here going. I had it in the house, as you saw, cleaning it up and everything, and charged the battery. I expect it to start right up. Let's go ahead and get some fuel in here and see what happens. Shake that gas. Getting low here. Alrighty. Mode on. Boy, something's up in the servo saver on that. We're not gonna worry about that. A couple the kill switch engaged. Yeah! Fires right up, baby. A lot of power. I usually don't drive my trucks in the snow, but here we go. Awesome. Whoops. Oh, heck. It's so cake full of snow.
Trying to take out the cameraman.
It is packed. Well, not on purpose anyway. It is Valentine's Day weekend, so I still love you, honey.
I still love you too, honey.
Look at that thing. It is packed. I'm in close there. Look how packed full of snow that is. That baby is packed full of snow. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up right here. 2021 winter, Al2 here, 316 RC. See you on the next video. So long.